How to add tickets from SeatGeek tickets to Apple Wallet. First, you have to log into your account, then hover over to your account icon and then go to tickets. After that, you can find here the add button here. Simply click on add and you can add a ticket or the PDF of the ticket, the original PDF. Here you can see the PDF and you will get a barcode for mobile access. You can also add MLB tickets, NFL tickets and NCAA tickets, but we are going with e-tickets, electronic tickets. Just simply click on add e-tickets and we just need to drag and drop that ticket PDF, and from mobile app you just need to go to the mobile app, and from this e-ticket, after adding the ticket, you will get the barcode here. And here, as you can see, after uploading this ticket, you will get this type of barcode, and in this barcode or in this ticket section you will find the add to Apple Wallet option. Simply click on this button to add this ticket to your Apple Wallet, and that's all. It's pretty simple. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.